right guys, we got this super awesome 51 Chevy here. We're gonna be doing some fender skirt modifications. What do we got going on back here? We're gonna add some material and we're gonna get it nice and low to match the body line. Just thought I'd show you a little before and after before we get rolling and show you how this thing sits, man. It's a super beautiful car. Let's get to it. Alrighty, we're getting into it. The shape of the body actually curves. You could probably see better over here. So we're gonna want to kind of follow that a little bit and give it a little bit of a rolled edge down here. So we got our piece, a nice flat piece here that we cut. Moving on to our bead roller. We're gonna be using it's a 7/8 radius die. So you'll see what this does in a minute, but it gives it a nice little rolled edge. Our piece starting to take shape. You can tell it's giving it some radius. Got a little bit more radius on one end and then a little less on the other side, just trying to give it that curvature. Not too shabby, looking pretty good. Starting to take shape. Get this girl tacked up, looking good. Here we go. Skirts are done. Looking really good. Gives it a nice low look. Kind of finishes it off. I think it came out awesome. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed. Hutch is Welding, signing off. Damn, got me. Wear gloves, kids.